And I also remember something. I mentioned that those two on ATV that were, being, yeah, you have to start editing myself regarding, those two that were riding ATV at that underpass. Well, there were several more instances of people being idiots during an emergency. And I'm not mentioning, people, people that are going camping while there are already forecasts that major storm fronts are approaching. There were several. And in that group are also Slovenes and foreigners. But on Saturday, when the, let's say, western part of Slovenia was heavily drenched with water, there was a group of Hungarian tourists that went whitewater rafting on Socha River, on Isonco River as it's known better abroad due to its Italian name. Nothing happened to them, but Isonco, Socha River, was pretty swelled up, and you could see, because they also post, of course, video of themselves. Liza is going to see if the cat is here. No cat today. Last two times that we went here, the cat was outside. So yeah, as I was saying, they filmed their adventure. Luckily nothing happened, but if something would happen, the emergency personnel would be needed for them. And yesterday, guess what happened? Some tourist decided, yeah, let's go climbing while it was raining, still raining. Apparently the lady, I don't know, perhaps she went for a stroll, then she decided, yeah, let's go up the mountain. She got stuck in the mountain, and 8 mountain rescue guys, I assume people, were sent to help her. Of course, they discovered that she is improperly equipped, no helmet, no harness, no safety gear. She wasn't properly dressed, no water, repellent clothing or such. So instead of helping people that really need help due to the nature's raft, 8 people needed to go into the mountains to rescue a stupid person. And Lizi, kam pa greva? Greva tukaj? Drugo smer greva. Pridi, greva tukaj midva. Tukaj greva ponovat. Glej, tamle en kuža. No, pridi. Lizika, pridi. Mountain rescue is volunteer service. and you don't have to pay. Ja. Ti kar na punco zjaš, kaj se to pravi?
Ja, ti se vidi. Kaj nič ne more, veš? On ne ve, jaz živijo.
Reče, jaz gospodarico branim, ker se volk približuje. Vi pa sploh ne zastopite tega. Ja. Yeah, the little guy was very brave from afar. Yeah, so, you know, there are these stories still going on. Most likely there will be even more. How people are stupid, going out, creating trouble for other people, while several thousand people need help more urgently, and it's not their fault. And of course now, once again, civil defense, mountain rescue service or societies are imploring people, please do not go into the mountains in these conditions, in this weather. And I bet you some people still will go. Okay, that's it for now.